Alright, so now let's talk about some not so common loft features. And these features are lofting using faces of existing 3D geometries and also lofting using a point. So here I'll start with this one, and as you can see I've got this kind of a bottle shape, and we have created it using these two 3D parts. Now I'll create a loft between these two faces, and of course I'm not using any sketch for this. So I'll go to loft, and the first face is this one, so I'll just click inside this area, not on the sketches or on the boundary, and then I'll select the second face right here, and we've got a loft. So using this kind of face also, you can create lofted features quite easily. Now this is how you can just create it, and maybe if you want to be a bit creative, you can also change these connecting points. So maybe I'll just change it slightly so that it gets this kind of peculiar shape, and with that I'll click OK. And we have this loft feature. So you can always create lofts using faces as well. You don't need to always use sketches. Now here is another example. Now in this case I have created all of these circles, and at the end we have a single point. Now you can actually create lofts using all these cross sections, all these sketches, and also this point, and this will actually end up in a bell kind of shape. So let's try this. So I'll go to loft again, and I'll start with the last sketch, then this one, and finally this. And as you can see, we've got this bell shape. So again, you don't need to actually create all the cross sections, and whenever the loft is ending at just one single point, kind of like this, you can always use this kind of feature where we have all the cross sections and just a point. So that's another example of creating loft. Now here also I'll just click OK, and this is the final feature which we get.